इंश्योरेंस। अच्छा, ये टॉपिक सुन के भाग मत जाना. आई प्रॉमिस यू टुडेज वीडियो इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी बोरिंग. वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट 4 different types of insurances that you need to know about. And the best part is these 4 types of insurance do not include health and term insurance. You must be wondering, right? What can be more important? Actually, I wouldn't say more important because see, in today's day and age, when healthcare costs are rising, they're going through the roof, medical care is so expensive. Everyone needs to have health insurance. Yes, and by that I mean everyone in your family. All of you have to have adequate health insurance. That is the basic. Term insurance also, if you have dependents already or you foresee that you will have dependents in the future, it's a must for you. तो अभी health और term तो हो गया, उसके आगे क्या? First up, travel insurance. I really feel like ये shoot वूट सब छोड़ के ना just let's go out on a drive. Nice बारिश में, ठंडी ठंडी हवा में. But let's be honest, that is not going to happen. So let's talk about the travel and tourism industry. Nowadays, Gen Zs and millennials have started spending more on experiences rather than stuff. They like to have cool experiences wherever they go. And travel is a massive expenditure for them. As per IBEF's report on tourism and hospitality industry in India, travel and tourism are two of the largest industries here. Together, they contribute 178 billion USD to the country's GDP. Crazy, right? So if you're somebody who likes to travel and are actually contributing to this industry, then this video is for you and travel insurance is a must. अब ट्रैवल की बात करें तो सुनने में, कहानियों में और इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बट इन रियलिटी द पिक्चर इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट. There's so much to think about. There is so much logistics involved. There's flights, car service, luggage, stay, hotel, too much. और ये तो सिर्फ वहाँ पे जाना और रहना. वहाँ जाके कौन सी टूरिस्टी जगह अच्छी है, खाना कहाँ बेस्ट मिलता है, ये सब तो बाकी बाद में आता है. एंड इन सब के बीच में कॉम्प्लिकेशंस भी बड़ी होती है. अब आप डोमेस्टिकली ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं या इंटरनेशनली, डर तो लगता है ना. फ्लाइट डिले हो गई तो, कैंसिल हो गई तो, लगेज ही नहीं पहुंचा तो, उस पहाड़ पे चढ़ते चढ़ते गिर गए तो, कहीं लग गया तो. इन सब वरीज के लिए होता है ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस. इट प्रोटेक्ट्स यू एंड योर एंटायर जर्नी फ्रॉम एनी मेजर फाइनेंशियल लॉस इन एनी इमरजेंसी, मेडिकल रिलेटेड और ट्रिप रिलेटेड इमरजेंसी. दिस प्रोटेक्ट्स you. It takes care of any expenses that arise due to any medical or trip related emergencies during your foreign or domestic travel. Travel insurance usually covers a lot of things like cashless hospitalization, baggage loss, trip cancellation, even your passport loss. And all of this is covered for your entire journey until you reach home. These plans are available for everyone, from tourists to senior citizens, even students. And they start from as low as 1,000 to 1,500 rupees. So what are you waiting for? This is something that you should definitely get. Now, of course, this depends on the kind of plan you get, the duration of your stay, that country or countries you're visiting. But you get the point. On your screen, there are a few companies that offer great travel insurance plans. So check them out before you plan your next travel. Next up, car insurance. अगर आपके पास गाड़ी है तो ये तो आपको पता ही होगा कि यू कैनॉट ड्राइव अ कार विदाउट इंश्योरेंस. नहीं, सच्ची, इट्स द लॉ. थर्ड पार्टी लायबिलिटी इंश्योरेंस इज मैंडेटरी फॉर ऑल व्हीकल्स ड्राइविंग ऑन पब्लिक रोड्स इन इंडिया. अभी मैंडेटरी तो है, बट कैन यू बिलीव इट, 18 out of the 36 crore registered vehicles are driving without insurance. If you are someone who owns a vehicle or is considering owning one, please don't make the mistake of not getting insurance. It's just not worth it. Auto insurance is so cheap and readily available that why would you want to take that risk on your head, not abide by the law, and pay out of pocket for any accident that happens? Auto insurance provides coverage for third-party damages like death, injuries, or property damage. There's an own damage cover that you can opt for if you choose a standalone or comprehensive car coverage. Now, honestly, the premiums are quite low at about 2,000, and there are discounts for things like an anti-theft device if you have one. The best part is if you drive safely, don't get into any accidents, don't file for a claim for an entire year, you get a reward for it. It's called the no claim bonus, and it can reduce your future premiums by up to 50%. Some of the companies that offer vehicle insurance are on your screen. Now we can make a whole other video talking about this type of insurance. If you want that, tell us in the comments and we'll break it down for you. Now coming to one of my favorite types of insurance, homeowners insurance. Now see, very honestly, till about 2 years ago, I didn't even know that this existed because I wasn't a homeowner and my parents never really told me that our home was insured. So I was shocked to say the least. So what is this type of insurance and what does it cover? It's a type of general insurance that helps you safeguard your property from any natural calamities and man-made perils. Yes, you heard that right. Natural calamities. Homeowners insurance protects you from natural calamities like windstorm, hail, fire, even lightning. It also protects you from man-made disasters like vandalism, strike, riots, etc. Of course, you have to see your specific policy details to see what exactly is covered, but it tries to cover most of these. In terms of coverage, it covers a lot, like your interior and exterior damages, portable equipment, art, paintings, jewelry, and even the physical building itself. Now, how much you cover your house for is very interesting because of the way it can be calculated. There are 3 ways that they usually do this. First up, reinstatement value. This means reconstructing your house as it currently is. It doesn't take market rates into account, but the cost of construction considers where the property is located. The second option is the agreed value basis. Now, this is based on the total area of the house mentioned on the sale agreement multiplied by the value per square foot according to the government's ready reckoner. Now, the last option is the indemnity basis. This is where your reinstatement value is reduced by the depreciation on the property. Now, if I were you, I would choose a policy that uses one of the first 2 methods because the last one really isn't in your favor as a homeowner. On your screen, there are some companies that provide this homeowners insurance. If you have any questions at all, do leave us a comment. Last but not least, renters insurance. Now, if you aren't a homeowner but you rent your home instead, this is something that you should definitely get. Renters insurance doesn't just give you financial coverage, it also gives you peace of mind. It helps cover your personal property and liability in case of unexpected events like fire, theft, vandalism, water damage, even injury to somebody else on your property. The best part is, just like homeowners insurance, this protects you against natural calamities too. And it also provides alternative accommodation in case of any damage to your property. Now, this insurance is pretty self-explanatory and doesn't have a lot of complications. So if you're a renter and looking for insurance, there are some companies on your screen that provide this. You can start considering this insurance right from your first rented home, even if you're a student or you move to a big city for a brand new job. It's not really that expensive. So that wraps it up for us today. We've covered travel, car, home, and renters insurance. Basically anything over and above your health and life that become essential for you. Also, on a quick side note, before I tell you to like, share and subscribe, whenever you're buying insurance now, it may seem like you're paying money and not really getting it back in return. What it buys you is peace of mind and an assurance that in case anything goes wrong, you're covered. So yeah, you know what to do, and we'll see you in the next one.